coffee beans, the Aeropress brewing machine. So I've always thought about this. Do I over agitate the coffee beans while under do I not agitate coffee? Does how you agitate the coffee beans affect how brew comes out? So I've seen in a video, I've seen a video why is it best not to agitate the coffee? I've seen a video when they do a lot of agitation. My video using this timer, I do a lot of agitation in coffee because I want to make sure that all the grounds are properly settled. There are different methods how to agitate the coffee beans. So to understand that this is all for scientific purpose, I want to know if this kind of method of light agitation is going to coffee is going to fade. So I'm using this refrigerated pan. I'm using taking down coffee at first ground and using two tables of it. I'm also increasing the brewing time from 3 minutes to just 2 minutes. You start setting the time using our is of a darker roast, and you can use it at that time coffee the water. That's the strategy I thought. So slowly moving to the front, making sure that all of the ground are fixed by the hot water. While I am doing other stuff, I am going to be circular motion, trying to swirl the coffee. Now, how this is quite common because this is what I see when I take a construction site. I see them with cement, and I thought, well, popular in this way, coffee. That was my prayer mind. Yes, I can be. Let's just try. By the way, this is your first time trying. So, I'm already shooting this video right now, but I've already tasted the results while I'm editing this. I'm telling you, what I think that even with this method, good method, the first coffee doesn't really change amount when compared agitating the coffee. So, with the method I used earlier, it just tastes as if I didn't agitate the coffee amount. So, moving forward, I want thank you for watching. See you on the next one. Thank you.